We going down or are we going to walk over here first?
Oh, we should do the tour early because this place can get busy. According to the website. We're here early, so it's a good time to...
This goes down. Ah, fuck.
Bring your water.
It's in my pocket.
So, you know what? Then they should thank you for that many years that you haven't done.
Can I take all the damn pictures?
Damn pictures that you want.
All the damn pictures?
Damn tour.
Oh, we got ladies down here. What are we doing? Giraffe. Now don't go off the damn tour, Clark. The damn. Hmm? Dark in here. So this is the dam tour.
That's why they have it over there.
It is dark in here, so but there's nothing I can do about that. Very weird walking through here. You know, they make movies about this thing freaking blowing up, caving in. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow.
Little railroad tracks. Must be to bring in like parts and stuff.
Between us and Lake Mead is 450 feet of concrete called Hoover Dam. It is 726 feet tall and 660 feet thick at its base. To give you a visual, take a look back down. If you were to measure from the wall behind us to the wall at the end of this wing, it would measure 650 feet. So we would still need to add 10 feet to this distance to get the thickness of the dam at its base. Just imagine filling this entire room and then some of the concrete.
Thank you. Don't be going through any metal doors you're not supposed to. Cute. Employees only.
Are you So from the first two legs of your tour, I'm pretty sure Kalina provided you a lot of good information. From that information, are there any questions? Ma'am?
How often do they have to replace a rotor?
Not the rotors are original from the 1930s. They are pulled for preventive maintenance purposes. But to replace the whole rotor, no. Everything at this point now is preventive maintenance. Yeah, 4 thermal powered power plants, modern technology. Hoover Dam was put in place for 5 reasons: flood control, irrigation, hydropower, recreation, and navigation. Any other questions? Ma'am?
How deep is Lake Mead?
When full, 595 feet. But the current level in the reservoir today is 1,092 feet above sea level. 1,000. Did you examine the reservoir yet? No? Okay. 1,092 feet above sea level. The difference that you'll see there is about 131 feet, 134 feet, something like that there. And because the water rose to the max pool, I'm pretty sure Kalina shared that with you. The max pool twice. First in 1941, when it took 6.5 years to fill the reservoir. The second time in 1983. And that was the results from the heavy snowmelts of the Colorado Rockies from the El Nino winter in 1982. It takes anywhere from 12 to 18 months before the runoff makes its way into the reservoir. 12 to 18 months. Actual depth of the lake now is about, say, 4 and change, somewhere around that ballpark. There's enough water in. Did you examine the reservoir yet? So you're just fishing for, get it? That's a good one. I like that. Do you have a question, miss? Wait, hold on, sir. Sir.
Oh, so the last time I was here, it looked like the water line was a lot less than what we saw today, the white part compared to the actual markings on the rocks. Is that actually a water line? Well, the discoloration from the mountain down, and it looks like there's, to the eye, maybe 20 feet of a discolored, like a water line.
Yeah, that's calcium carbonate. The white substance you'll see on the walls is calcium carbonate, which is the mineral extract from the water.
So does the water raise and lower, or does it?
It does.
Continuously go down
it
because
does
of
this.
usage.
Well, this is the ebb and flow of the seasons. Again, whatever comes from the Colorado Rockies, 12 to 18 months is from the ebb and flow of the seasons.
I knew years ago there was a concern of a water shortage in Las Vegas, or for irrigation.
Don't believe it. Don't believe it.
Don't
No
believe
shortage. Okay.
It's Las Vegas. Don't believe that.
Stays in Vegas, stays in Vegas.
Right. This is the Mojave Desert. It is. It is. But Las Vegas, no.
Okay. Hoover.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So these are people coming out of the tour, probably. Yeah.
That's the new bypass road.
Yeah.
So I'm in Nevada. Let's go to Arizona. Take a walk into Arizona. That way I can say I was in Arizona. Let's see. Let's take some more photos.
Bears, right? Yeah. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, right now it's 11 o'clock. We get over there,
You're in Arizona now. I said you're in Arizona.
Where?
Yep. That's the sign. That's the halfway point. And look at the thingy-mabobs. What he said that those were. You got Nevada time and Arizona time. So yes, now you can say you're in Arizona. So that's very low. Remember back in the 80s, it was like
That looks cool.
way up.
I wonder when they're peak hour.
They're diverting that water elsewhere. There's no reason why it should be that low.
I like how he says the lion,
Huh?
which I believe.
Oh, I believe it too. There's... Look at the tourist over there. Alright, wait. right, do you want to head back over to Nevada?
We'll find out where the damn bait is.
The damn what?
Fishing.
The bait? The damn bait? The bypass road, man. I don't know if I'd want to. You know the thoughts that are going through my
That was
brain
built
right
recently too.
Yeah, I know that. Well, that's because of 9/11. But you know what's going through my brain right now? Earthquake. Because that freaking San Andreas Vault movie.
He said it could be 8.5 to 7.
Yeah, well. Modern civil engineering, wonder of the United States, one of the 7 selected by the American Society of Civil Engineers, 1955. And then you got Nevada and Arizona. I'm in both in Nevada and Arizona. All right.
Therefore gave the wing nuances which guard the flag the look of eagles. He also gave them that vital upward thrust, an aspirational gesture to symbolize the readiness for defense of our institutions and challenge of our spiritual eagles, ever ready to be on the field. Another example of symbolism directly in front of the monument is the American Ball Eagle. It is prominently featured supporting a shield composed of 13 red and white stripes.
Tourist.